Our 13-year-old GE Profile Performance XL44 is slow to heat up. Gas oven. Burners, electrical and oven all appear to function. But oven in normal bake is taking over an hour to heat up and not reaching top temperatures. Thanks, Jer.
Good evening. This should be a simple issue to solve. This issue means that either the gas valve isn't opening up all the way, or it's opening and closing as the oven is preheating, which it shouldn't do. Just listen to the oven closely, and if the flame cuts in and out or take a very long time to turn the flame on after you tell it to bake, more than 3 minutes, then your oven igniter is just getting weak, so the safety valve is not allowing gas to flow all the time, which means you need to replace the oven igniter to fix the issue. If the flame is just very small coming out the bake burner but it runs continuously when it's preheating and never shuts off, then you need to replace the oven gas safety valve because it's not opening fully anymore. Also, if you have an amp clamp, you can clamp one of the wires going to the bake igniter, and you should have 3.2 amps at a minimum, or the valve won't stay open. That is another way to verify if the igniter is weak, but you need an amp clamp to test that. By far the most likely case is that your igniter is just getting weak. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
It is more than likely the igniter. And for someone like me, a mechanical, I should be able to replace this myself. Under the bottom panel of the oven or from the rear. Where do I order this replacement part? Through Appliance Doc. Thanks, John. Sorry. Ask the follow-up question before rating your reply. Thanks, Tyler Z.
Yes, it's definitely more than likely the igniter. The igniters are just maintenance parts designed to last about 8 years or so. You'll need the full model number to look up the correct igniter, which is located on a sticker around the front frame of the oven and can be seen if you open the door or remove the drawer below the door. You can order the parts through repairclinic.com or searspartsdirect.com or anywhere else you'd like once you have the full model number. As for replacing the part, you remove the floor inside the oven and work from the top down in front. You may need to come in from the back to access the wires after removing the back sheet metal panel behind the entire oven as well. If you're handy, you can definitely replace this part yourself.
Perfect. Got it. I've replaced spark igniters on my gas fireplace and grill, but this is a little different animal. I guess the XL44 is not the full model of this GE profile. John, thanks again, Tyler.
Correct, XL44 is not the full model. That will be on a sticker around the front frame of the oven somewhere.
Model hash, serial hash.
Below is a link to the igniter for the model number you have listed. Click here for igniter.
Perfect, and thanks again, Tyler. Appreciate your assistance. Cheers, John.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.